An exceptional home with spectacular views nestled in the West Hills. You'll find it here on Skyline Heights Drive, close to top-rated schools and amenities. In this premier location, enjoy more than 5,000 square feet in a masterfully crafted home. Heading inside, discover an inviting family room with a wall of windows, built-ins, and a cozy fireplace. Or take in amazing sunsets from your entertaining deck. Gorgeous hardwood floors lead to the spacious kitchen with a cooktop island, peaceful views, and abundant storage space. An elegant wet bar leads to the formal dining room framed with wainscoting and a beautiful tray ceiling. French doors open to the large office with built-ins. Upstairs, unwind in the generous primary suite, where you can wake up to some of the best views in the West Hills. The ensuite bath is thoughtfully designed, where you can relax in a soaking tub with picture-perfect views, or de-stress in the new steam shower. This 3-level home has plenty of space with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, plus 2 bonus rooms, one that could be a 5th bedroom. On the lower level, you'll enjoy the huge room for game or movie nights, or entertain on the covered deck year-round. You'll also love the new gym with an indoor rock wall. Living here, you'll enjoy easy access to St. John's, the Northwest District, the Pearl District, and downtown Portland. A luxurious home with captivating views. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact Sunita Thaker with Premier Property Group.